We interrupt our programming. This is our global emergency. Important instructions will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. Our planet is slowly coming to an end. About 5 minutes ago, the National Weather Service has reported wind speeds increasing up to 550 miles per hour up to 975 miles per hour across the whole entire Earth. There were also a lot of reports of buildings, skyscrapers, and houses getting ripped apart piece by piece from this windstorm, along with trees and power lines breaking apart, with debris flying along the world, causing a lot of injuries and deaths. Everything is being ripped apart. With the air pressure varying to higher danger levels, wind speeds will continue to increase every second. The National Weather Service has shared that there will be no way to stop this cataclysmic event. Humanity will not survive this event. There are no places to seek shelter or evacuate to. There is no reason to stay calm, go into panic mode. All United States residents are urged to gather all your family and friends together and brace for the end. We will now conclude our final activation of the emergency alert system, along with our national anthem. Please stand by.